Well, today's the Friday before Christmas. Linda and I are out for a bit of a stroll. And we just wanted to tell you guys, it's been a really fun year. We've really enjoyed making these videos for y'all. And we look forward to making more in the future. But we're getting ready to take a couple weeks off here.
Yeah, it's Christmas vacation for us.
Yeah, but we'll be back right after the first of the year.
Yeah.
But we wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah.
See you around. What, one take?
No. Take two.
I think we better go with that one. It was